So yun guys, kakatapos lang natin magpunta sa check-in counter nila. And tatlo kasi yung bag na dala namin. Dalawang carry-on and magche-check-in sana kami ng isa. Kaso hindi inalaw sa online yung online check-in, yung additional baggage. So yung ginawa namin, nag-check-in kami ngayon and pinakilo namin siya. And yung sabi sa counter is 2,000 pesos yung additional. Guys, sinakay na kami dito sa Cadi papunta sa gate number 5 kasi malate na kami sa boarding since kumain pa kami ng merienda doon sa 7-Eleven before the flight.
Samgyup for more.
to Cebu. In preparation for boarding, may we invite passengers who require special assistance, senior citizens, and one travel companion only, followed by parents traveling with infants or children below 7 years old to approach Gate 5B.
So ito guys yung plane na sasakyan natin. Maliit siya. I think it carries only 80 passengers. 80 lang yung seat niya sa Philippine Airlines. Nakuha ko siya ng discounted rate at 3,000 pesos each. Papunta ng Cebu from Clark International Airport.
Push the ends together to tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt, buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift, top of buckle, pull free and to release. If
So while on the flight, may binigay silang free snacks and bottled water. Hi guys, so nandito na tayo sa Mactan Cebu International Airport. Tapos papunta tayo sa taxi and pupunta tayo ng South Cebu Terminal para punta ng Walwal. Ito yung taxi rate nila, which is white taxi. 40 pesos start and 30 for every kilometer and 50 pesos for every minute. Hey guys, so nandito na kami sa South Bus Terminal. Tapos bumili ako ng ticket, nasa 295 each papunta ng Mualbual. Just got here in Jollibee Mualbal to grab some food for the dinner tonight. Nakasakay tayo ngayon dito sa L300 papunta sa canyoneering site doon sa Badian. We just arrived here in RGS Canyoneering, which here we just need to fill out the information, take the helmet, life vest, and the shoes, and then we'll head over to the canyoneering site. So while waiting, nag-almusal muna kami dito. Kumuha kami ng hot dogs, chicken balls, and rice for 50 pesos each. When we arrived, we just took the orientation, and now they took us to the motorcycle going up to the zipline area, and they said safe naman yung motorcycle. Medyo mahirap lang yung daan pero safe naman daw. After ng I think around 10 minutes of going down here is narating na natin yung start point, and dito na mag-i-start yung canyoneering activity natin.
Go!
So ayun guys, after ng mahaba-habang canyoneering, nandito tayo ngayon sa barbecue stand. 50 pesos per stick yata yan. Pero busog pa kami, so hindi na kami kakain. And magpapahinga lang tayo ng konti dito.
Hawak ka dito muna, sige, sir. Diyan, sir. Ma'am! Ito, ma'am! Hawak mo na, sir. Alright! Yeah! Wow! Sabay kayo dito. Lusot niya dito sa may butang dyan. Ayan, lusot niya dyan.
So we just got here. There's a convenience store where there's a lot of options you can buy. Pero we just bought a saging which is for only 50 pesos. Hindi na kami bumili kasi masyadong mahal yung paninda nila. I think yung mogu-mogu which you can buy for 50 pesos outside is 150 pesos, which is triple the price. So ayun, saging na lang yung binili namin.
Talon!
So while we are canyoneering here, nakita namin tong si tatay na nagbubuhat ng mga soft drinks and mga chichirya. And ganyan pala nila dinadala dun sa sari-sari store, which is why napakamahal yung mga tinitinda nila dahil nga kailangan nilang magbayad to bring the stuffs to the store.
Ayan guys, so
Pababa na tayo dito. Ito na daw yung Kawasan Falls. Pagbaba natin. Which madaming mga bat, mga paniki dito. Dito na sila naninirahan. Wow. Hi guys, so kakatapos lang namin maligo doon sa Kawasan Falls and naglalakad kami ngayon pabalik sa van and babalik na kami sa Mualboal para mag lunch and after that mag free dive kami mamaya. After the activities guys, bumalik lang kami doon sa area para kunin yung gamit and nag-lunch kami. Masarap yung chicken nila and yung pansit. And now, nandito kami sa car, pabalik ng accommodation para magpahinga ng saglit and later mag-free dive tayo. We just arrived here sa free diving site. Maglalakad lang tayo ng konti para ilagay yung gamit sa locker and then we'll walk to the free diving site. Hi. So we just finished the free diving activity. We wanted more pero palapit yung bagyo sa amin. I mean yung ulan. And then malakas yung kidlat so it's not safe anymore. So nag-decide kami na umahon na and we're going back to the accommodation since lilipat din kami ng different resort. We're now here in Mualboal Tropics. Ito yung resort na binook ko sa Agoda for 1,300. Here's the room. Merong queen size bed, meron siyang refrigerator, may water sila,
water heater, and here's the toilet. Napaka-simple lang nung room.
Hey guys, good morning. So, pagising namin ngayong umaga, nag-ayos kami ng gamit and pinrepair na namin lahat. Medyo maulan, so ngayon tumigil na, lintik na lang ng kaunti and maglalakad na kami papunta dun sa highway at sasakay ng bus papunta ng Oslob.
Nandito tayo ngayon guys sa Bato Bus Terminal and isang sakay na lang papunta ng Oslob and then we'll go to the accommodation. So, we're now here guys sa GTC Side Inn. Nag-book ako directly sa website nila for 1,400. That's for 2 packs already for 1 night. It's now 11 a.m. Yung check-in time natin is at 2 p.m. So, nakiusap kami kina ate na iwan yung gamit namin dito sa reception area nila. And we'll go to Serene Oasis to grab some lunch and magstay muna doon for an hour or so.
Hi guys! So we are here in Oslo and we rented this motor for only
500 pesos. Ayun guys, narenta namin siya for 24 hours. Magagamit natin siya. Babalik lang namin siya kung ilan yung gas bar niya, which is tatlong bar yun. And 500 yun, 24 hours na namin magagamit. Ngayon, pupunta kami sa Serene Oasis para mag-lunch and maganda daw yung view doon. Nakita din namin sa TikTok. So, ayun, puntahan natin siya.
So, we'll just look on the view here sa Serene Oasis. Dito sana tayo mag-i-stay for the night for 2,500 for 2 person. But, nakita ko yung review, medyo maingay daw paggabi. And since mag-work ako, hindi siya pwede. So, doon sa kabila kami nag-book for the night. Pero magla-lunch tayo dito. So, here's the lunch. Kumuha kami ng filet mignon, barbecue platter, baked scallops, rice, cola, and watermelon smoothie. We are now here at Oslob Cuartel Heritage. This cuartel ruins is in municipality of Oslob, here in Cebu, and it was built by Spaniards back in 1860 when the Spanish forces colonized the Philippines, and this structure was constructed using a thick coral stone. So, corals yung structure niya. So, we just got back here sa accommodation. Si Relcy nandun siya sa room para magpamassage, and ako, dito ako sa labas para mag-work until midnight today. Good morning! So now we're heading to Felicita Cafe para mag-breakfast muna tayo, and then after that, we're going back to pack up and move to Siquijor. So we just arrived here sa Felicita Cafe, and pagdating namin is nagre-ready pa lang sila. They're not open yet, so they will open in 10 minutes. But I asked them if we're allowed to go here sa baba just to look for the view, and we'll wait for them to prepare the tables.
Ano po? Caramel? Ice latte.
Ito po yung ice latte.
So ayan guys, after namin mag-breakfast is bumalik kami sa accommodation. Tumawag kami ng tricycle. This is for 750 pesos from our accommodation to Liloan Port, and mag-transfer tayo sa Dumaguete, and then to transfer tayo sa Siquijor. And I will cut this vlog in here, and please watch the next video, which will be our Siquijor adventure.